Just a quick conversational response, one sentence. What's the greatest medical innovation that is available in every home?
Clean water and sanitation systems, as they have drastically reduced disease and improved public health globally.
So by sanitation system, you mean toilet?
Yes, toilets are a key part of sanitation systems, which include infrastructure for safely managing human waste, preventing disease, and ensuring clean water access.
And how is toilet relevant to AI? Just one sentence.
AI can optimize sanitation systems,
Yeah, of course
including toilets, by monitoring usage, detecting maintenance needs, and improving water efficiency for sustainable hygiene solutions.
Okay, how about, do we need to, if we want to do that, do we need to start with toilet simulation? Okay, so how about, do we need to be able to simulate a toilet first?
Simulating a toilet could be a useful starting point if the goal is to develop AI solutions for optimizing sanitation systems, as it allows testing and refining algorithms in a...
Okay, yeah, considering it's the greatest medical innovation of all, yeah, we want to be able to simulate the toilet. So can you generate the HTML template? I have the file open. You can just go ahead and generate sample code for toilet simulation.
Made changes. I've added an HTML template for a toilet simulation interface to your open file. It includes sections for controls, status updates, and a simple visualization. Let me know if you need further enhancements.
Okay, we definitely need further enhancements. How about some sort of visual?
Made changes. I've added basic visual styles for the tank and bowl to enhance the simulation. Let me know if you'd like further refinements or interactive features.
Well, currently the flush and refill tank are not doing anything. The visualization can be made better.
Made changes. I've added JavaScript functionality to make the flush and refill buttons interactive, along with dynamic updates to the visualization and status.
Getting gazillion of errors already, and we haven't even started yet. Okay, now this is an interesting point. Obviously we don't have the other files. Shall we do everything in a single HTML file, so the CSS and JavaScript? I mean, the answer is yes. Can we, for prototyping purposes, just keep everything in the same file? Might want to move it around a bit.
Yes, for prototyping purposes, it's perfectly fine to keep everything in.
Okay, so can you update the script?
Made changes. I've updated the script to enhance interactivity, including a visual effect for the bowl during flushing and refilling. Let me know if you need further refinements.
Are we still calling a JavaScript file? We said we will be doing everything contained within the HTML script.
Made changes. I've removed the external references to styles.css and script.js since everything is now contained within the HTML file. This should resolve the...
Okay, can we keep updating the animation, making it better?
Made changes. I've enhanced the animations for flushing and refilling, including a smooth transition effect and a flushing animation for the bowl. Let me know if you'd like further improvements.
Let's do Claude. Can you look at the code in the previous conversation that we had and improve the animation significantly?
I'll enhance the animation significantly to make it more visually appealing and realistic. Let me update the code for you.
By the way, everything we do is available on binarykills.com. Go check it out and provide your feedback.
Made changes. Sure. Here's a summary of what we've accomplished. We started by creating a simple HTML template for a toilet simulation, including basic controls for flushing and refilling. Then, we added interactivity using JavaScript, allowing the tank to empty and refill dynamically while updating the status text. To make the simulation more engaging, we introduced visual elements like a tank and bowl with water levels, and added animations for flushing and refilling. Next, we significantly enhanced the visuals and animations. The tank and bowl now have separate water elements with smooth height transitions. A whirlpool effect was added to the bowl during flushing, along with wave animations. The refill process includes a gradual water level increase in the tank. The overall design was improved with better styling, shadows, and responsive layouts. The result is a visually appealing and interactive toilet simulation that mimics real-world behavior while being entirely self-contained in a single HTML file. Let me know if you'd like to refine it further. Made changes. I've added a demo mode button that showcases the simulation by automatically flushing and refilling the tank in sequence. The animations and interactions have been refined to ensure a smooth and engaging demo. Let me know if you'd like further adjustments. Made changes. The demo mode now runs continuously until toggled off, with the button text dynamically updating to indicate whether the demo is running or stopped. Let me know if you need further refinements. Made changes. I've added a section below the simulation explaining the significance of toilets as a groundbreaking medical innovation. Let me know if you'd like to refine the text further. Made changes. I've added a paragraph highlighting that the toilet simulation was generated using AI, emphasizing its innovative and futuristic aspects. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to refine.
So let me get this straight. You're building an AI toilet? Like a toilet that can think? Should I be worried about it judging me?
Not quite. It's a simulation of a toilet, built entirely in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's more about visualizing how a toilet works and showcasing how AI can enhance even the most mundane things.
Oh, so it's like a toilet with a PhD. Got it. What's the big deal about this toilet, though? I mean, I already know how to flush.
True, but toilets are one of the greatest medical innovations of all time. They've saved millions of lives by improving sanitation and preventing disease. This project is a fun way to highlight that while also exploring how AI can simulate and optimize everyday objects.
Okay, I get it. Toilets are heroes. But where does the AI come in? Is it going to tell me, hey, buddy, maybe lay off the tacos next time?
Not quite. The AI part is more about the process. The simulation was generated with the help of AI tools, like the code structure, animations, and even the demo road. It's like a prototype for how AI can assist in designing smarter systems.
Demo mode? What's that? Does the toilet do a little dance?
Not exactly, but close. The demo mode runs a continuous cycle of flushing and refilling to showcase how the simulation works. It's like a self-driving car, but for a toilet.
So it's a toilet that shows off. Got it. What's next? Are you going to add a voice assistant? Alexa, flush the toilet.
That's not a bad idea, but for now we're focusing on the visuals and animations. The water in the tank drains, the bowl fills up, there's a whirlpool effect, and then it refills. It's all about making it engaging and educational.
Educational, huh? So if I watch this simulation, I'll be a toilet expert. Like I can put toilet AI specialist on my resume.
Sure, why not? But seriously, it's about appreciating the engineering behind something we take for granted. Plus, it's a fun way to show how AI can make even a toilet simulation interesting.
I'll admit, it's kind of cool. But let's be real. If this toilet starts talking back to me, I'm out. I don't need a toilet with opinions.
Don't worry, it's just a simulation. For now, the only thing it's judging is how well we can code.
Okay, there's a human in the loop. If you have any questions, go for the chat.
The front panel looks neat and approachable. The left column of controls and status reads clearly and the right side visualization has good scale for a demo, but a few tweaks would make it feel more polished and usable. The header is a bit tall, which pushes the canvas down. Trimming it will bring the visualization into view sooner. The control buttons would benefit from clearer visual states, color change or subtle shadow when active, so it's obvious when demo is running, and grouping the buttons with small icons helps scanning. The visualization area could be centered and given more breathing room, make the tank and bowl proportions more balanced, add a subtle water fill animation and a short pipe flow animation so the flush feels convincing, and reduce the large white title inside the canvas, or relocate it, so it doesn't compete with the graphics. Also consider tightening the spacing between cards on the left, improving contrast on small text for accessibility, and making the demo button text/state explicit, e.g., stop demo with a red accent, so users never wonder if it's running. Overall, the layout is solid. These changes will sharpen hierarchy, usability, and the nice factor for viewers. Made changes. Summarized conversation history. IVE updated the toilet bowl to have a more realistic rounded shape and refined the animations, including the whirlpool effect.
It eventually appears on bionichaos.com. Go check it out and provide your feedback. Hopefully the toilet AI simulation looks more like this eventually. If you have any ideas for simulations, do let me know. And I'll see you next time. Bye.